the brake cable. And it's so hard to get out the thing, push out, because the wrap was easy to pick it out. So I need to bring that cable out and put a protector. I'll do that then. See this pin? That should be easy to just push my things. I'll put it here, and then if that's not stretching, doesn't matter if it's stretching there, and I'll just put a tape around it here. So that's how there. See, if I put click. What about this? Is this a quick click? Let me see. See? That's how it should be. And if I pull the latch out, actually, so like, pull the latch out. Oh God, it's so hard to pick it off, isn't it? There you go. Easy. Easy to do. I just need to cover this up. And then I'll just be careful that it goes that way. Down all the way, right? I just have to pull it out that way. I think I'll start at the top here to do the, to do the turning around.
Throughout history, we looked up to our heroes.
I've done this stage yellow in my e-bike.
With all the things they do,
It's
made
really
us
good.
strong with courage
I think I
deep
paid
inside
$2 for it. I'm
them.
not so sure how much.
Something seems to
In a
guide
$2 shop. I
and
like the
always
color.
sees them through.
In this world of ours, we dream of happy
Oh, there.
endings
My
and a
finger is
victory
getting
for those whose hearts are
Yeah,
pure.
everything. Okay.
If you're wise,
Enough.
you'll hear your inner voices.
I
They'll
could,
lead you in your
Richard is
choices.
offering me
Of this you can
Like,
be sure.
a table.
If you believe, you'll always have tomorrow.
Wrap it this way.
If you believe, dreams can all come true. Deep in your heart, you know
But
it's
it
faith that you must
doesn't
show. If you believe, there's nothing you can't do. And in this world of ours, the hero will be you.
It's different.
Oh,
Pull everything apart.
since the start of time, there's been both good and evil.
In one go, you can tell it's my
In the battle on for all eternity.
No matter what the story, the good rain and glory,
For it was meant to be. If you believe, you'll always have tomorrow. If you believe, dreams can all come true. Deep in your heart, you know it's faith that you must show. If you believe, there's nothing you can't do. And in this world of ours, the hero will be you.
all my life
All my life,
I've always known, always
the man upstairs is watching over, and it's faith that he wants you to show. If you believe, you'll always have tomorrow. If you believe, dreams can all come true. Deep in your heart, you know it's faith that you must show. If you believe, there's nothing you can't do. And in this world of ours, the hero will be you. The hero will be.
Okay.
Oh, you made it, Lane.
Yeah.
Trends, you sound good. Drew, dude, thanks for coming out, man. You guys think the song will make it on the radio? All right, here we go.
Wait, you can twist Tailfin. Now, this. Do it again. What do I have to
Girl, I
do?
know your friends think that we're
Sort out.
crazy. They just haven't seen love this plainly.
Can't keep on playing.
When they ask what on earth is going on, just tune your record in and play this song. Cause to me, our love is like an old-fashioned.
It's gonna be rubbing.
Finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet. Sip you slow, then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be, but old-fashioned love's got a hold of me. Baby, I don't care, I don't think I'd even mind. Between holding your hand, what I'm feeling in the bottles of wine. 'Cause You just might be something that could stick. Well, at least I put my money down on it. 'Cause to me our love is like an old-fashioned. Finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet. Sip you slow, then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be. But old-fashioned love's got a hold on me. Old-fashioned love's got a hold on me. Yeah, old-fashioned love. We've been around enough to know that what this world really needs is something like you and me. Bitter with a touch of sweet, cold but it goes down with ease. Old-fashioned love is what this world really needs. Old-fashioned love. Old-fashioned love, yeah. 'Cause to me our love is like an old-fashioned. Finest whiskey poured out in our glasses. You are something sweet. Sip you slow, then repeat. You're the habit I thought I could be. Old-fashioned love's got a hold on me.
Well,
Old-fashioned love. Old-fashioned love's got a hold on me. Old-fashioned love's got a hold on me.
It's